Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to deposit money in Citibank. So the first thing that you'll need to do, of course, is simply go and open citi.com or hit the citi.com, type it in the URL section, then sign in into your account if you have an account. If you don't, make sure to go and open an account. I've already made a detailed video on how to create an account. You can go and check it out. So once you do so, of course, if you are on the mobile app, you can open the mobile app. If you don't have it, make sure to go and download it. Once you open it, of course, you can simply sign in again with user ID or touch ID if you avail or if you like added that or enabled that. And if you don't even have an account, always you can go for register for an account. So how to deposit money in like Citibank? So of course you can make deposits at any Citibank branch or ATM if you want to do it like on site, not online. And if you don't want to do it online, as an example, if you want to deposit from another account or something like that, as you can see, first of all, deposits, make a deposit without making a trip to the bank if you want to. You don't have to go to the bank or even the ATM to deposit funds. Simply use the direct deposit to deposit your funds right into your Citibank account. It's free and it's right for you if you want to minimize the damage from identity thefts, or you want a team or experts on your side, or a team of experts, or you need help to reestablish your identity. So you can simply go apply for a bank account if you don't have one, and if you do have one, simply all you need to do is go to direct deposits. Once you open your accounts, as example, and logged in, you'll find a deposit section. All you need to do, just go and click on that, and then, of course, you'll need to complete a direct deposit form, which is also available at any branch if you want to do it again on site, or obtain one from your employer. Provide your account number and the bank, of course, ABA number of the account you want to deposit credit to, or just attach a voided check. And of course, once the check is deposited, the funds are immediately available to you. For direct deposits of your social security checks, either visit this as example link or call this number. Of course, you can also mail in deposits if you want to. You can simply mail a deposit slip and the check if you want to deposit to Citibank address in the state or region your account is open. Do not send cash, and deposits received before the end of a business days will be credited to your account that day. There may be a delay before these funds are available for you to use. So yeah, that's how you make basically a deposit. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.